Welcome back. Tables are a way of organizing data that needs to be together for whatever reason, or they can be used to organize any other information that you might have on your page. Tables are formatted using the table tag. You need to tell the browser that the table has rows. The table's rows are formatted with the tr tag, and the columns in the table are formatted using td tags, where the td stands for table data. I will now show you an example of a table that has 2 rows and 2 columns. There are many attributes that can be used with the table border, but that's again the subject for a more advanced course. There is one table attribute that you should always be using, and that is one that produces a border around the table. In all things HTML, never leave a browser guessing whether an attribute should be used or not. You do this so that the browser will operate faster. The border attribute configures the thickness of the border in pixels. If you wish to have no border, it's quite simple, just border equals 0. Now you should know that by default, the table will be aligned on the left side of the page. If you wish to center the table, you simply put the align equals center attribute in the opening table tag. In tables, there are a number of things that just happen. Taking that into account, if you do not specify a table's alignment, by default, the code below will produce a table as wide as the information in it. With a width of 55%, a table will be produced that is 55% of the width of the page that it is on, and will change width if displayed on a different size screen. So you can see there are a lot of variables that need to be taken into account when you design a table for your web page. Here is an example of a coded table with the basic variables taken into account. The code given here will make a table that looks like this. All data can be formatted in the same way that any text on your web page can be formatted, using font tags or bold tags, etc., etc. So you have a way to format the table contents in almost any way that you can think of. A good way to learn tables as well as any other HTML code is just to play with it, make changes with it, and see what it does. You may be surprised at how easy this really is. So, play with this for a while, and I'll see you in the next video.